product of its kind on the market. It saves me money, and I don't have to pay for the guy to come in and spray all those chemicals in my house.
I've been using Red X for years. It's the only repellent that truly works. Thanks, Red X. It saves me money because I don't have to buy all those chemicals.
It's quiet down for now, but you can also see some embedded thunderstorms there, but they're not nearly as strong as the ones that have just passed through that area. We're going to take a quick break now for a minute or two, but we'll be right back to the latest and damage reports and the latest and warnings. Stay with us.
There's a little something I've done every night since I was a kid. Empty my pocket change into this old jar. It's never much, just what's left after I break a dollar. And I never thought I could get quality life insurance with my spare change.
Neither did I, until I saw a commercial for Colonial Penn. Imagine people our age getting life insurance at such an affordable rate.
It's true. If you're 50 to 85, you can get guaranteed acceptance life insurance for Colonial Penn for about 25 cents a day, just $7.95 a month per unit. There's no medical exam and no
Severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings continue until 9:30 for portions of Grundy, Kendall, and Will County. Severe thunderstorm warning until 9:30 also for Lake and Porter County. So if you're not under one of those tornado warnings, you're most likely under a severe thunderstorm warning anywhere to the east of Interstate 294, even along 294 in Cook County as well as in Will County. Some of the latest damage reports again we mentioned in Morris. Also, roads closed in Carpentersville because of flooding in Huntley Roads and Route 31. The incredible amounts of rain we're seeing, to about 2 inches of rain have fallen in some areas, resulting in road closings because of flooding. And this is coming into us from Carpentersville, as well as so not only are we dealing with the winds and the incredible lightning out there, we're also dealing with some flooding because of the extreme amounts of rain. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Stay with us. You're up to date. The latest here on CLTV.
Why are people who work in information technology so well paid? Because they run the computers that keep business.
You go to the ground center of it.
Yeah, this is,
And
oh my god, that
this
just
is it, it's
cracked
just-
around your head.
It's like non-stop, it's so loud, and I don't know how to feel because like I've never ever experienced typhoons, earthquakes.
Same.
Oh my gosh.
And it's, do you like the storm?
Is it loud?
Go outside.
You wanna go
You want to
outside?
go outside?
Why?
Give me here.
I've never been to the Philippines during this month. This
Video's rolling. Which way is, where's the tornado at? Holy shit, Dad. I'm looking for it, but I don't see it. I'm looking for it. Where is it on the radar? Is that hail? That might have been hail. Where is this thing? Alright, I'm closing my windows now. It's getting real windy.
Okay.
Holy shit, Dad.
If it hits, you gotta go to
The
you've gotta
sky-
go to your stairwells, your base shots in your stairwells.
Yeah, the sky is the sky is green. The sky is green right now.
Yeah, that's because you're in a tornado, yeah.
Holy shit, where is this thing? I really don't see it at all.
Well, it's because it's night and you're covered. It could be.
Well,
I'm bringing in the radar real slowly. The hook is just north. Shit. If I come on.
here comes the rain. It's just about to hit us. Yeah. No, it's pouring out. It's hailing and pouring out. Here it comes. Here comes the rain. Okay, I'm turning off the video. You can't see. My visibility is to 0. Where is this thing? Where's the tornado?